ní wọ́n rẹ̀ chief of staff mo fẹ́ wọ́n rẹ̀ chief of staff ẹ̀ gbọ́ granting.
Ọmọ akwaba asẹ́mbà bẹ́yì ẹ̀yẹ wọ́n náà sẹ́mbà ẹ̀yẹ wọ́n náà sẹ́mbà.
Stop.
Oh, ọba ní dàsí wá ti. Ọba ọ̀nà akwaba náà wọ́n tún ase asamu madaru na yẹ mọ́ ọ̀nà kọ́gbọ́n kankan sábẹ́ àmọ́ ọ̀nà maniẹ sọ́mọ́ yẹ set.
Yeah.
We want to express our deepest gratitude for your exceptional leadership and dedication to Nia Onu. Your guidance, support, and inspiration have made a lasting impact on Nia Onu. Your leadership has not only achieved remarkable results, but has also fostered a sense of community and collaboration. Thank you for being an outstanding leader. Your legacy will continue to inspire us. Rest well, Oji. Demi Fedio. When you're meant for crying, see you.
Yes, China Metamada. But you know how to come across a original answer. Yes, China Metamada. One
more of Brazil. So, won't you be as and then. One more to be as I said. Send me a young boy, and yes, son, you be free as I see so. Yen, you know, baby, to say. Yen, me, and now. And don't we a day. One pie from which you're rather sat. Phone crash or be a messrow. I saw baby try and wish here. But your baby not call. I saw I wanted Bible to say. What in your woman patrol baby na cop? Never go. One Bible baby. You're ready by another pair that's a future of your mind. Was your deeper about will not name it your one or how I should move. I read this all my young now, Queen Yanka or how I young name one. And I did a boy. A be a yard. Ebi eni muasi, ebi eni twato so, ebi eni sopa, aye nem, ahotre ebi ama bebre. Yo, edi adanse say, wasem a waka kire ye e no kwasem. When ye wetu yamfu say, eye say ye be ko bia, eyi ye wo, se bebi a watu pron, ebi say aho and na yenina ewie ye beye ye da se sefutu kese odi amayen ye so se menya asemtie for refifo daadafo emo yenya wasem eyefo asa da chi wutu safre ya e dia kukudro ni nam ye di ehia kwa ye da wase se da ne da and they decided to edima. Utie ye na oye ma ye. Yɛn Yesu Kristo din nti. Amen.
And your prayer will be standing in our sure. I shall do yes to Christ and Yam. There are the Pija and you in Yakin in our Shamsa. Well, if you know, passing some of the one time. But if I am very made for sin, I can be saying now, oh Jesus Christ, Amen.
Though you may be gone too soon, your impact remains forever. In the laughter of the children you made smile, in the lesson you taught with patience and care, in the hearts of parents you trusted, in the generation you inspired to be better leaders. You were more than just a leader. You were a role model, a friend and a hero to many. Your memory will be cherished. Your spirit will live on. Rest in peace, dear Nana, also known as Uji, dear mentor, leader, and a friend. Thank you.
I'm ready.